Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have something new for you. We've never done a video like this because frankly we haven't had a new truck on this channel for quite a while. So, I mean brand new truck on this channel. So we got an unboxing for you. So what could it be? Any guesses before we start into this? It's Matt's new truck. That might give you a hint. And I've mentioned getting one of these or building one of these for a while. So there's just some hints. Comment below. We'll get into this. Alright guys, there it is. What do you think? Capra 4-wheel steer. Matt beat me to buying one of these. Dirty rat. So yeah. I'm gonna have one of these, or I'm gonna rear steer that stance of mine, that guy there. Probably just buy one of these because I love that truck the way it is. It just works and it's fun to have a drag axle that kicks butt. So let's get into this thing, man. Open that box. Let's see what's in it. He's had this since Tuesday and today is Friday, guys. So he's really looking forward to getting this box open. So
I'm excited, but for you guys, it was worth waiting. So awesome.
Yeah, this is gonna be cool. We'll
Ooh, I got the perfect side.
Yeah? Is it even the right side? Is the right side up?
First up.
Alright, there we go.
We got Spectrum, if I remember, DX3 controller.
So how does the rear steer work on that stock? Because you're not even planning on running that, are you?
No, I'm gonna be moving over to my FlySky.
Yeah, FlySky GT5 is what he and I both run, and they have the potentiometers on top where you can just dial that rear steer in. Yeah. Super slick. So probably won't even see this run.
I think on the rear steer, I think it runs off this trigger.
It's just a quarter, something like that. You just click it and okay.
If I'm correct, it's probably like 50%, and then it would be like 100%, 50% back.
Yeah, we'll fix that so we just dial in exactly what you need.
That FlySky.
Yep, you got it right there. Show it to people. Yeah. FlySky GT5.
We're gonna move it over to this.
The antenna goes like this. Yep, that's the FlySky GT5.
Then we can use.
Gonna be way better for driving the rear steer on.
All these right here to run it.
We'll show you a little bit of that in the running footage when we get this truck up and out on the trail tomorrow or Sunday.
Oh, truck's upside down.
Oh, wah. Oh, he's turning off all the lights. All my light switches are right here on the bench.
Everybody knows this truck.
Yeah, we just drop this down.
Yeah.
There we go. Unveiling, I guess. Sweet! I like that one that says Curry on it. It's super cool. Known the Curry boys since the early 90s when they were just getting into Jeeping and 4-wheel drive stuff. So kind of cool to have that legacy. It's peeling the wrapper off. Nice, that's cool. It's got some really cool detail inside the cabin.
Yeah, this is gonna be sweet.
Right?
Okay, I gotta grab some zippy ties.
Zippy ties. Oh, he's got a zippy tie cutters. Looks like we got some servos we're gonna have to update like pronto.
The front first.
Yeah, for sure. Just the front.
And then
for a minute
rear.
and see how these tires feel pretty decent.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how these.
But you've got a set of BFGs over there that came off the Ecto that we can slip right on this with Illumi beadlocks already. Yeah, those guys.
Yeah, these guys that I was running on.
Proline dual stages in those. So yeah, those will be awesome on this.
So let's hold the zippy ties. Truck. Now look at that.
Just look at it. Look at it.
Look at it. Just
hell with looking at it. Let's drive it.
Well,
so you said you bought upgrade parts for it already.
Yes.
What have you got? You don't need to show us. I guess you got it right there. Show us.
Yeah, I got it right here.
What do you got?
So first off, I'm gonna want to change the overdrive. We'll put overdrive in the portals in the front. So I bought these T-rails.
Trial. Gotcha.
How you pronounce it?
Yep.
They're 15 tooth to 20 tooth, so that makes it. It was saying 43%.
Dang, that's awesome. In the front, right?
In the front.
So that's overdrive in the front.
Overdrive in the front.
Okay.
I'm leaving the back stock.
Okay.
And then I bought a Reef RC.
Reefs RC, awesome.
99 micro servo.
Okay.
This has an optional dig feature in the transmission. So I want to set that up.
Gonna set up dig with that micro servo.
That micro servo.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it. Other than the stuff that I had from
The Ecto.
the Ecto.
Which is?
That's going to be the
tires and wheels.
Tires and wheels that we were
talking about. And you got
about.
a 45 kg servo that we can put in the front, right?
Yep, 45 kg. And then I'm going to throw that brushless axe motor in this.
Nice.
And it should run awesome. So.
You gonna do all that before we run it, or are we gonna run it stock against the stance?
Well, I'm going to run this stock. I want to see what it's capable of first.
Right, tires and all. Let's run it stock.
Tire all. I'm not going to change the radio out because I just want to have completely stock.
Cool.
So then we can see how it does. Then after that, we'll throw upgrades and we'll see what it really can do.
Okay.
So.
Sounds awesome. And what did you buy for a battery for it?
Yeah, I bought me off of Amazon the Z's. If that's how you pronounce the
Yeah, Z.
The 3S 200. Well,
2200.
2200.
It's the same
Mill
one
and
that
amp.
I run my Ecto and the Phoenix, Vanquish Phoenix on. And the stance. I run the stance on it as well.
Yeah.
So, light battery, super small, can tuck it in wherever.
Yeah, the battery.
Is it meant for a small? I'm sure it is in this chassis.
It's gonna be battery mounts right here.
Oh, look at that.
Down
It
in that
opens
hole.
up. Down in, oh, gotcha, right in there. Cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to change that to a Dean's. We use Dean connectors here.
Yeah, I bought
And it's got, look at that.
a pack of Deans, so
Crud load of Dean's connectors there.